how to get your first job on Upwork will take only your 5 minutes. Okay, here you see we have 9 projects listed on our Upwork. This is the first one. We do also have the 9 projects available on our Fiverr as a gigs. So here you see we are making 3 types: starter, standard and advanced in $1,500. You will get high converting Klaviyo email marketing flow setup in Shopify. So the same thing, here you see we have these 9 projects on Shopify. If you haven't learned Shopify dropshipping skill, Shopify custom coding skill yet, then subscribe over this YouTube. And on our Fiverr, the same thing, you will notice that these projects are in the form of gigs available on our Fiverr here. So this is the phenomena of how to get your first job on Upwork as well as on Fiverr. Simply go to Fiverr as a private guest member, search for Shopify word keyword, Shopify expert keyword, and you will get all your projects for Upwork like this as a Fiverr gigs here. So if you want to make gigs on Fiverr, simply go to Upwork project as a new user and search for whatever niche you are working on. If you are graphic designer, if you are video and audio editing, development and IT, marketing, writing and translation, so on, any niche you are from, just simply search it on Fiverr if you want it for Upwork, and search it on Upwork if you want your gig for Fiverr. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Allah Hafiz.